Il faut pas se mettre en arrière.
Ça va, tu t'es pas fait mal?
Non, non. Bon.
Vas-y, rassieds-toi, tu
Il
t'es
faut,
un cassé.
non, non. Il faut pas s'allonger à l'arrière, il faut s'allonger à l'avant.
Welcome to the Car and Train channel, to the Whiskey Creek Railway and specifically to the Silver Mine, the section of train which is of track which is below the deck. I have a challenge. One of the main beams which support the deck is too low, and when the passengers are riding, they may bump their head. Actually, they don't because I warned them, but I am trying to improve the experience and also the safety. So what we are going to do is that we are going to cut half of the height of the beam between those two pillars. It's not very important because we are almost at the end of that beam. And then in thickness we are going to sister, so reinforce with additional beams on the side. It has happened one time that one of my guests fell and bumped his head. The good thing is that he didn't get hurt, but he fell on his ASS, excuse my French, and here is the video of it.
Because I have removed one rail here.
Oh.
I'm going to go slow.
Il faut pas se mettre en arrière.
Ça va, tu t'es pas fait mal?
Non, non. Bon.
Vas-y, rassieds-toi, tu t'es un cassé.
Non, non. Il faut pas s'allonger à l'arrière, il faut s'allonger à l'avant.
I am getting a lot of questions on progress made on the railroad. Not a lot actually. My current work keeps me very busy, but one thing that we have started to do is the sistering of this beam so that we could remove half of it to give more clearance for the head. And actually I barely need to lower my head now, which is a huge progress. And then continuing to put the poles, the 4x6 in the ground. Those two that you see on the video are the latest, 32 inches deep in the ground. And then we are going to put the siding. Otherwise the mud and the clay are staying here. It has been raining a lot, so you see that it's very muddy. It's not under the track because there is a 4-inch pipe which is draining the water down to the Whiskey Creek. But on this side I am still missing drainage, which I'm going to add over time. What we have done to improve the headroom in a critical passage of the Silver Mine. So what we did is that we had those beams which are here, which are very tall and above the track. We cut half of the height of those beams, so from here to here that was removed, and then we sistered them. So sister them is putting a side plank on both sides to reinforce the strength of the remaining portion of the beam, and bolted on both sides on the footers of the deck. So very, very sturdy. The last operation has been to put the sliders or guides so that if somebody's head is a little bit too tall, it's going to be pressed down as the passenger is going below the beam. It took me a while to think about all those solutions, as you can imagine, and that has been implemented on both sides. Let me show you sideways, because with the light in the back, so the same guides here to direct the head down so that there is no bump and it's safe. Let me go back on the other side. I think the light is much better. Here we go. Enjoy. And next, of course, is going to try it with the passengers. I have already tried it with myself, and it's very good. It's very effective. But let's see the passengers' opinion on this solution. I really love it now, because I am able not to bend.
Because I have removed one rail here.
Oh.
I'm going to go slow.
Il faut pas se mettre en arrière.
Ça va, tu t'es pas fait mal?
Non, non. Bon.
Vas-y, rassieds-toi, tu
Il
t'es
faut,
arrivé assez.
non, non. Il faut pas s'allonger à l'arrière, il faut s'allonger à l'avant.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section below the video.